Hello, Mr. Geislart here, and now we're going to take a look at number 6 on the quiz for chapter 10-11. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is find the area of the base. Well, to find the area of the base, it's just a circle. It's actually half circle. So when I do pi r squared, I'm just going to divide that by 2. So that's pi times 3 squared divided by 2, which will give me 14.1372. Now, in order to find the lateral surface area, and I'm going to say 14.14, I first have to find the slant height. Well, to do that, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to do 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to L squared. So that's 9 plus 16 is equal to L squared. 25 is equal to L squared. Do the square root, and L is equal to 5. So, since that's equal to 5, I can now find the lateral surface area. Again, this is half of a cone, but the formula for the surface area of a cone is just pi times the radius times the slant height. So it'll be pi times 3 times 5, but I need to divide that in half because I only have half a cone. So 3 times 5 times pi divided by 2, and we end up with 23.5619. Now, that's not all of the lateral surface area, because I also have a triangle here that I have to find the area of as well. So we know that the area of a triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. My base is 6 times my height is 4 divided by 2, and that's going to be 12. So I have to add 12 to my lateral surface area, and that will give me 35.56. So now we need to add those two together. So 35.56 and 14.14. And we end up with 49.7 for my total surface area. Now, the volume of a cone is the area of the base times the height divided by 3. Well, we know the area of the base is 14.1372 times the height is 4, and then divide that by 3. So I have 14.1372 times 4 divided by 3, and I'm going to end up with a volume of 18.8496. So round to 2 decimal places, 18.8.